Hi there, this is Anna and you are on the channel Crochetclubstore. Today I will show you how to crochet basic granny square. For this we need a 3.5mm hook and 2 colors of yarn. You can use any yarn and a suitable hook for it. I will use yarn art jeans. This is cotton by yarn wheat number 2, 50 grams 160 meters. Links to materials can be found in the description under the video. You can use any yarn and a suitable hook for it. Let's get started. There are many different ways to start a granny square. I'll show the magic ring technique. If this is your first time using this technique, then make the video speed slower and repeat after me. Making a cross with yarn around your finger. We insert the hook under the first yarn, hook the second and pull it out from under the first, working loop on hook. Next, crochet 3 chain. They count as the first double crochet. Then we make 2 more chains. Crochet 3 double crochets in the magic ring. Make 2 chains. Repeat more, 3 double crochets and 2 chains. And again, crochet 3 double crochets. Crochet 2 chain and only 2 double crochet because first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Tighten the ring. And make slip stitch in the top of first 3 chains. Make 1 chain, pull the working yarn and cut. The first round of granny square is finished. Take the second color yarn. Each new round starts from the 2 chains corner space. Insert hook and crochet 3 chains. Next, we crochet in the same corner space to more double crochets, 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. This is how a corner is made in a granny square. Make 1 chain and repeat a corner in the corner space. Crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. Make 1 chain and repeat a corner 2 times. Make 1 chain and slip stitch to join the round. Make slip stitches from the round before until you reach the ch2 corner space. The second round is finished. Crochet corner, insert hook and crochet 3 chains. Next, crochet in the same corner space to more double crochets, 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. Remain one more time how to crochet corner and 2 cardigan corner space, crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. Make chain 1 and crochet 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space. We make 1 granny cluster. Make 1 chain and crochet corner. Next we crochet, alternating between a cluster and a corner, separating them with 1 chain stitch. I'll speed up the video a little. Make 1 chain and slip stitch to join the round. Cut the working yarn. The round 3 is finished. Let's start at round 4. Change color of yarn again. Round starts from the 2 chains, corner space. Insert hook in the space and crochet the first corner, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. Further, we see two 1-chain spaces, and we need to crochet a cluster in each of them. Don't forget about 1 chain between clusters and corner. Next, we need to repeat this part of the row 3 times corner, 1 chain, cluster, 1 chain, cluster, 1 chain. Pause the video and complete the row yourself. I hope you don't have any difficulties crocheting this row. We make a slip stitch to join round 4. Crochet 2 slip stitches to start next round from corner spaces. Here, at the beginning of 5th round, as you may have noticed, instead of 3 chains, I crochet a single crochet and 1 chain. I like it better this way. Next, crochet the corner as usual to double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. At 5th round, we need to crochet 3 clusters between corner. Again, pause the video and crochet this round yourself. Great! Make a slip stitch to join the round. To finish, cut yarn, fasten off, and weave the ends. To get a larger square, continue to crochet more rounds by analogy with round 5, increasing the number of clusters between the corners. Thanks for watching, my dear crafters. Enjoy crocheting and see you in my new videos.